101.3 Radyo Natin, Paracale. Hello there, hello listeners, especially to our grade 6 learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of Paaralan sa Radyo, an interactive radio program which provides comprehensive and enjoyable learning experiences in mathematics. We are happy to be with you this morning as we guide and help you learn in these trying times. I am your host, Cristina Biliano from Jose Panganiban National High School. With me is Ma'am Lene Viso from Alawihaw National High School on the technical side. Before we start our fun-filled lesson in Mathematics 4, please make sure that you are comfortable in your study area and free from any distractions. Check if you have your paper with you along with a pen so you can write the important information and follow our step-by-step discussions and activities. Please put your cell phones in silent mode so you can concentrate and grasp all the needed information in today's lesson. Are you ready? Great! Let's start! Our lesson for today will focus on the discussion on triangles and quadrilaterals, You may interact with us with our discussion by sharing your ideas and answering questions through the comment box in our Facebook Live, Paaralan sa Radyo, Deped, Camarines, Norte. You may also send in your message through Messenger or through our text message through our mobile phone number 0977-214-2659. Do you know what triangles and quadrilaterals are? If not, don't worry. Our resource speaker will explain to you all about triangles and quadrilaterals. After our episode today, you will surely learn how to do so. Let us continue and enrich your knowledge in Mathematics 4, my dear grade 4 learners. Today's lesson will give you knowledge and help you understand what all about triangles and quadrilaterals. We are lucky to have with us this day Sir Nicell G. Maravillas from Palanas Elementary School and Ma'am Jenel Flora from Paracale Elementary School. They will serve as our resource speakers in this episode. Welcome to the program, Ma'am Sir, and thank you for coming over. Your greetings, please.
Thank you, Teacher Tinay, for welcoming us to this radio program. Good morning, Paracaleños, especially to learners and parents who are listening right now. I know that all of you are really excited to learn our topic for today. I am Teacher Nicell, and I'll be one of the discussants about triangles and quadrilaterals.
Good morning, our dear learners. I hope you are all healthy and eager to learn mathematics in the comfort of your home. I am Teacher Jenel. Together with Teacher Nicell, we are your radio teacher for today's discussion.
Oh yes, I'm pretty sure that they are absolutely ready to listen and acquire new knowledge today. Let's now begin the discussion. Let's do it, Sir Nicell, and Ma'am Jenel.
Okay, in today's session in our School on the Air, you will learn the following most essential learning competences. 1. Describe the attributes, properties of triangles and quadrilaterals using concrete objects or models. 2. Identifies and describe triangles according to sides and angles. And last, number 3, identifies and describe the different kinds of quadrilaterals, square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, and rhombus.
Thank you so much, Teacher Jenel, for sharing the objectives that our learners need to attain to our discussion for today. So, kids, grab now your learning activity sheets, pen, and notebook so that you can take notes of all the important details throughout our discussion. Let's begin.
So before we proceed to our lesson, let us first identify the unfamiliar words that we might encounter in the lesson about properties of triangles and quadrilaterals. Are you ready, Teacher Nicell?
Of course! Teacher Jenel, do you know what is a triangle?
Yes, of course, Teacher Nicell. A triangle is a plane figure with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles.
Can you give a concrete example of a triangle?
Okay, our examples, slice of pizza, yung balisuso na lagi natin inaagahan.
Ay, masarap yan, Teacher Jenel.
Okay, yung kasi kaninang almusal ko, balisuso.
Korting triangle.
Yes. Sarap pati yun. Hammer, tripod that we use as camera, holder when we are covering video or pictorial. Usually, ginagamit ito pag nag-tiktok ang ating mga learners and also pag nag-review vlog.
Correct ka dyan, Teacher Jenel.
And side of a pyramid is also an example of triangle.
Oh, you have a lot of example, Teacher Jenel. Meron rin akong isi-share pang isa, yung Bermuda Triangle. Isa siyang napakasikat na napaka-misteryosong lugar na kung saan kapag dumadaan daw doon ang mga barko ay nawawala. Bigla na lang silang nawawala. Pero hugis triangle siya. Kaya siya tinawag na Bermuda Triangle.
Oh, saan yung yan, circumference yan?
Diyan sa may parting African, yan, diyan sa mga ganyan. So I am sure our listeners understand well the triangle. So again, kids, a triangle is a plane figure with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. Is there any unfamiliar word that our listeners need to know, Teacher Jenel?
Yes, Teacher Nicell. Our next word is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a plane figure with 4 sides, 4 vertices or corners, and 4 angles.
Good to know that, Teacher Jenel. And we can say that books, tables, doors, and cellular phones are example of a quadrilateral.
That is awesome, Teacher Nicell. Hope, with that meaning as well as the given example, our learners are excited to know our topic.
I am also excited, Teacher Jenel. But before we have a commercial break, I just want to repeat the meaning of a triangle and quadrilateral. So kids, listen. Triangle is a plane figure with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. Quadrilateral is a plane figure with 4 sides, 4 vertices or corners, and 4 angles. So we will be back, learners.
Marami na ako pag-aaral. Oo, anak. Kailangan lang ang pakikiisa sa ibinigay nilang tagubilin. Makinig mabuti at pag-aralan ang aralin. Sige po, inay. Maraming salamat po sa iyong payo. Asan na po yung ating radyo?
Isang paalala para sa mga magulang at mag-aaral. Ang STO Camarines Norte ay nagbunsad ng radio-based instruction program upang maging gabay sa pag-aaral ng mga kabataang Norteño. Kaya halina at laging subaybayan ang paaralan sa Radyo.
We're back. We're back. Time check. It's 16 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning and you're still listening to Paaralan sa Radyo at DZBN 101.3 Radyo Natin Paracale. If you have questions in regards with today's topic, just text it to 0977-214-2659. Let's continue learning.
Here we go again, Teacher Jenel.
Okay, so let's move on our topic, Teacher Nicell. So what do you call the plane figure with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles?
Oh, it's a triangle.
Okay, so a triangle can be classified according to their sides and their angles. Let us classify first according to their sides. Kids, do you have paper, pencil, and ruler? If you have, follow me in drawing a triangle. But if you have none, just follow in your imagination. Let's start. Let us draw a triangle. The first side is 10 centimeter. Again, the first side is 10 centimeter. Can you follow, kids? The second side is 12 centimeter. And the third side is 15 centimeter. I will repeat, kids. The first side is 10 centimeter. The second side is 12 centimeter. And the third side is 15 centimeter. Now, look at the triangle you draw. What can you say about the triangle?
The triangle has different measurement in each side. No one has equal side.
That's great, Teacher Nicell. We name that triangle as Scalene triangle. Can you give another kind of triangle, Teacher Nicell?
Yes, Teacher Jenel. Kids, let's draw again. The 3 sides measured 7 centimeter. Again, the 3 sides measured 7 centimeter. Is your drawing has equal length on each side? If yes, you are correct. And that triangle is called an equilateral triangle.
So, Teacher Nicell, equilateral means all sides have the same measurement.
Yes, Teacher Jenel. Let us have another triangle. Kids, focus. The first side is 20 centimeter. Again, the first side is 20 centimeter. The second side is also 20 centimeter. And the third side is 18 centimeter. First side, 20 centimeter. Second side, 20 centimeter. And the third side is 18 centimeter. Can you follow, kids? Can you please describe the triangle, Teacher Jenel?
Okay? The 2 sides of the triangle have the same measurement. And the third side is not. What kind of triangle it is?
Teacher Jenel, we call it as isosceles triangle.
So, do we have other kinds of triangle, Teacher Nicell?
Yes, we have other kinds of triangle. But this time, we classify them by their angles. But before that, let us recall first the different kinds of angles. So there are three. First is the acute angle. Acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. The second is the right angle. Right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. And the last kinds of angle is an obtuse angle. It measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees.
Thank you, Sir Nicell. So let us know, we know the different kinds of angles. This angle we use to classify the kinds of triangles. So magkaugnay po pala yung angles sa yung triangles.
Correct, Teacher Jenel.
Yan. So kailangan alam muna natin ang iba't ibang uri ng angles. So, a triangle with one angle measures more than 90 degrees is an obtuse triangle. And a triangle with one angle measured exactly 90 degrees is right triangle. A triangle with one angle measured less than 90 degrees is an acute triangle.
Okay, nice idea, Teacher Jenel. So kids, do you want an example for this kind of triangles? Look at your wall clock if you have in your home. But if you have none, just imagine that you have it in front of you. First, let's put the long hand at 12 and the short hand at 2. So again, let's put the long hand at 12 and the short hand at 2. The time is 2 o'clock. To make a triangle, let us use the line from 12 to the middle of the clock as the first side. So from 12 to the middle as the first side. From the middle to 2 as the second side. Again, from the middle to 2 as the second side. And make a line from 12 to 2 as the third side. Make a line from 12 to 2 as the third side. Did you follow the instruction, kids? What triangle did you make?
Okay, so I think, Sir Nicell, nakasunod sila sa maayos mong instruction. So, according to your question, Sir Nicell, that is an acute triangle.
You're right, Teacher Jenel. How about you kids? Did you get the same answer? Let's make another triangle. By having the long hand pointing to 12 and short hand to 3 and following the steps on what we did in the first example. So from 12 to the middle as the first side, then from the middle to 3 as the second side, and from 12 to 3 as the third side. Did you make a right triangle? If yes, you are correct. Lastly, let's put the long hand at 12 and the short hand at 4. So the time, Teacher Jenel, is 4 o'clock. Okay. Again, follow the steps we use at example 1 and 2. So from 12 to the middle as the first side, then from middle to 4 as the second side. Then the last side is from 12 to 4. Make sure that you can form an obtuse triangle.
It is an amazing and challenging activity, Teacher Nicell. I am sure our listener learn a lot about the triangle and they can classify them according to their sides and angles.
That's right, Teacher Jenel. Let's have another activity for our learners. So more about different kinds of triangles.
Yes, Teacher Nicell. I'm sure the next activity will help our learners for better learning. So let's start.
All right, Teacher Jenel. Kids, listen carefully. All you have to do is to answer the questions that we will be given to you. We only give 10 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready, kids? Teacher Jenel, I think they are all ready for our activity.
Okay, let's begin. I will read the first question and you will answer for 10 seconds. Okay, let's have number 1. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have?
Okay, so your timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What is the answer, Teacher Jenel?
The answer is 2.
Okay, so we will now proceed to the next question.
How many equal sides does this scalene triangle have? Again, I will repeat. How many equal sides does this scalene triangle have?
Okay, learners, your timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. What is the correct answer, Teacher Jenel?
The correct answer is 0 or none because there is no equal side in a scalene triangle.
Okay, we will now proceed to question number 3.
How many acute angle does an acute triangle have? Okay, again. How many acute angles does an acute triangle have?
Okay, learners, it's time for your answer. Timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. What is the correct answer, Teacher Jenel?
Okay, kids. 3 ba ang answer nyo? If yes, you are correct.
Okay, question number 4, Teacher Jenel.
For number 4, we have, how many right angles does a right triangle have? Okay, I will repeat. How many right angle does a right triangle have?
Okay, learners, get ready. Your timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your time is up. What is the correct answer, Teacher Jenel?
Okay, the answer is 1. We have only one right angle in a right triangle.
Okay, can you give the last question, Teacher Jenel?
Okay, kids, this is the last question, so listen carefully. How many obtuse angle does an obtuse triangle have? Again, how many obtuse angle does an obtuse triangle have?
Okay, your timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your time is up, learners. What is the correct answer, Teacher Jenel?
Okay, the correct answer is 1. So I think Teacher Nicell, our listener, got 5 correct answer.
Thank you for that interesting activity, Teacher Jenel. I hope our learners get a perfect score to our activity. Before we proceed to another kind of plane figure, let's summarize first the classification of triangle. Scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle are classified by their length of side. Acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle are classified by their angles. We will be back, learners! Lapit na.
Anak, mukhang nag-e-entry ka sa paglalaro mo. Tapos nalagaan mo yung module. Hindi pa po yun. Mamaya na lang po. Ano ba ang pagkakalitan ng gawain? Upang
are back. Time check, it's 31 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. And you're still listening to Paaralan sa Radyo at DZBN 101.3 Radyo Natin Paracale. Again, if you have questions in regards with today's topic, just text it to 0977-214-2659. A while ago, Teacher Jenel and Teacher Nicell said or discussed about the classifications of triangle. And now, learners, let's continue learning.
We're back, Teacher Nicell.
Yes, alive and alert, Teacher Jenel. So we're done about the different kinds of triangles. This time, we will now proceed to the different kinds of quadrilaterals. But before we talk about it, I just want to share this trivia to our dear listeners about quadrilateral. As the word suggests, quad means four and lateral means side. Again, quad means four and lateral means side. Therefore, a quadrilateral is a closed two-dimensional polygon made up of four line segments. In simple words, a quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides, four vertices or corners, and four angles.
Wow, nice idea, Teacher Nicell. Also, quadrilateral are everywhere. From the books, chart papers, computer keys, television, and mobile screen, the list of real-world example of quadrilateral is endless.
Yes, napaka-endless niyan, Teacher Jenel. Sa mga bahay-bahay nila, maraming quadrilaterals.
Okay, dyan din sa harap ninyo, kids. Andyan yung papel nyo. It's an example of quadrilaterals.
Okay, so sounds good, Teacher Jenel. I'm sure our dear learners are eager to learn about the different kinds of quadrilaterals. Are you ready, Teacher Jenel?
Yes, Teacher Nicell. One of the kinds of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Again, example or kinds of quadrilateral is parallelogram. A parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides and its opposite sides are equal. Can you give a concrete example of a parallelogram, Teacher Nicell?
Yes, Teacher Jenel. Real-life examples of parallelograms include tables, desks, arrangements of streets on a map, boxes, building blocks, and papers. Yes, pati yung mga papel na ginagamit nyo mga bata ay example din siya ng parallelogram.
Great example, Teacher Nicell. Kids, another kind of quadrilateral is rhombus. Teacher Nicell, what is a rhombus?
A rhombus is a parallelogram that has four equal sides. Again, a rhombus is a parallelogram that has four equal sides. Rhombus can be found in a variety of things around us, such as kite. Ito, Teacher Jenel, usong-uso ito ngayon, yung mga saranggola.
Yes, because of summer na ngayon.
Oo, perfect na perfect siyang example ng rhombus. Meron pang iba, nandyan yung windows of a car, rhombus-shaped earring, yung mga hikaw ng mga nanay ninyo na hugis rhombus, the structure of a building, mirrors, and even a section of the baseball field. Teacher Jenel, we have a rectangular garden in our school, and it has four sides. Is it quadrilateral?
Good question, Teacher Nicell. Yes, it's a quadrilateral and it is called rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram that has four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal. The rectangular garden in your school is one great example of a rectangle.
Oh, how about a square?
Okay, Teacher Nicell, square is also a quadrilateral. A square is a parallelogram that has four side and four right angles. Can you give a concrete example of a square, Teacher Nicell?
Okay, example of a square are tiles on the floor, paper napkins, tasty bread. Ang sarap niyang ipalaman sa mga cheese whiz, yung tasty bread na yan. Cheese boards, and handkerchief.
Teacher Nicell, mukhang gutom ka na.
Yes, Teacher Jenel.
So, good example, Teacher Nicell. Lastly, we have the so-called trapezoid. It is also a quadrilateral. Can you describe what this trapezoid is?
Yes, Teacher Jenel. Our dear learners, take a look on the roof of your home. Did you see it? It looks like a trapezoid, right? Roofs are one example of a trapezoid. Teacher Jenel, can you describe what trapezoid is?
Sana lang, Sir Nicell, wala silang kesame sa bahay nila para makita nila yung groups at makita nila yung trapezoid.
Kasi kung isame po, ay quadrilateral din siya, Teacher Jenel, pero
Okay.
floating square, di ba?
Yes, or
Or rectangle, yes.
So, kids, kung meron kayong kesame sa bahay, tingnan nyo yung group ay doon sa labas. So, I will describe the trapezoid. So, a trapezoid has only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Aside from roofs and other real example of trapezoid include certain tabletops, bridge support, handbag side, and architectural elements.
Nice idea, Teacher Jenel. Kids, we almost done to our lesson about the different kinds of quadrilaterals. Now, let us have a game. Teacher Jenel, what is our game?
Let's call the game Name Me. So, hindi pangalan ko, kids, ha? Pangalan nung i-describe natin mamaya.
Okay, before we proceed to our game, let's hear another infomercial.
Hindi, start naman tayo ng 10-5. Ito po natapos. Kaya ang isang mo. Ang winter.
And so we're back. Time check, it's 39 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock in the morning. And you're still listening to Paaralan sa Radyo. Again, if you have questions in regards with today's topic, just text it to 0977-214-2659. So, let's start the game.
Okay, kids, again, let's have the game. Okay, let's call the game Name Me. Teacher Nicell will give description of the different kinds of quadrilaterals and you will guess the name of each quadrilateral in a given time, which is 10 seconds per name. Are you ready, kids? So let's hear the first question from Teacher Nicell.
All right, Teacher Jenel. So, question number 1. I am a quadrilateral which has 4 equal sides. Who am I? Again, I am a quadrilateral which has 4 equal sides. Who am I?
So the timer starts now. 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Teacher Nicell, what is the correct answer?
The correct answer is rhombus.
Okay, so kids, are you correct? So let's have the next description, Teacher Nicell.
Okay, next. I am a quadrilateral which has two pairs of parallel sides. Who am I? I am a quadrilateral which has two pairs of parallel sides. Who am I?
So kids, ready? So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Teacher Nicell, what is the answer?
The answer is parallelogram.
Okay, so Teacher Nicell, what is our number 3?
Number 3 description. Okay, I am a quadrilateral which has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Who am I? Again, I am a quadrilateral which has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Who am I?
Okay, kids. Okay, let's start again from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what kind of parallelogram is that, Teacher Nicell?
Kids, the answer is trapezoid.
Okay, so let's have the next description, Sir Nicell.
Next description. I am a quadrilateral which has 4 right angles. Who am I? I am a quadrilateral which has 4 right angles. Who am I?
So the timer starts now, kids. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Teacher Jenel, the correct answer is rectangle.
Okay, so our last description, Teacher Nicell.
Okay, kids, listen carefully. I am a quadrilateral which has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Who am I? Again, I am a quadrilateral which has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Who am I?
Okay, so this is last period. So let's have the timer start now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Teacher Nicell, the answer is?
The answer is square.
Okay, so thank you for that fun activity, Teacher Nicell. I hope our learners enjoyed and get all the correct answers.
Okay, so kids, now you know more about quadrilaterals and its examples. Please do not forget the 5 different kinds of quadrilaterals, namely parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, and trapezoid. Did you get it?
Again, let us repeat the different kinds of quadrilaterals. Okay, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, and trapezoid. Teacher Nicell, I know you have prepared some kind of pakulo. Pero hindi pa yata kumukulo ang sinain nila, Teacher Nicell.
Ibang pakulo yun, Teacher Jenel.
Akala ko kumukulo na yung sinain. So ito daw, ito po yung ating pakulo. To our learner for us to have interactive discussion. Can I now ask our learners of the question for today? This will help us to know whether they really understood our discussions.
Yes, Teacher Jenel. We agreed on that. Maybe Teacher Tinay can explain the mechanics.
Thank you, Teacher Nicell. Okay, learners. Teacher Nicell and Teacher Jenel prepared 2 multiple choices questions for you. Choose only the letter of your answer and send it through text message to cellphone number 0977-214-2659. Example, your answer slash your complete name slash your complete address and send to cellphone number 0977-214-2659. Use our official hashtag on Facebook page live hashtag We Love Mathematics. You can also send your questions via text messages regarding our discussion to cellphone number 0977-214-2659. The lucky winners will have 50,000
50 pesos.
Okay. 50 pesos worth of regular load. We are going to select only one lucky winner for each question. Good luck, learners! Teacher Nicell will now can start with the first question.
Okay, kids, listen carefully. This is the first question. What do you call a triangle with no equal sides? Again, what do you call a triangle with no equal sides? A. Isosceles triangle. B. Scalene triangle. Or C. Equilateral triangle. Uulitin ko ang choices. A. Isosceles triangle. B. Scalene triangle. Or C. Equilateral triangle. Send now your answers. Teacher Jenel, what question do you have?
Okay, Teacher Nicell. For question number 2, kids, kahit nakapag-send na kayo ng sagot ninyo for the first question, you can also send again your answer for second question. So, this is our second question, Teacher Nicell. What kind of quadrilateral has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles? A. Square. B. Rhombus. Or C. Rectangle. I will repeat, kids, so listen carefully. So, what kind of quadrilateral has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles? A. Square. B. Rhombus. C. Rectangle. Okay, kids, ready na? I-send na ang inyong mga sagot.
Alright, good luck, learners! While we are waiting for the lucky winners, let us have a brief recap of the lesson that we tackled today.
Okay, Teacher Nicell, I think we gave enough input and learning to the learners about triangles and quadrilaterals.
Of course, Teacher Jenel. So learners, always remember that triangle is a polygon with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. While quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices or corners, and 4 angles.
Okay, Teacher Nicell, in addition to that, triangles can be classified according to angles as right, acute, or obtuse triangle. It can also be classified according to sides as equilateral, scalene, or isosceles triangle.
Last but not the least, the different kinds of quadrilaterals are parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, and trapezoid.
Okay, we'll be back after this friendly reminder.
Ang 2 questions lang po ang na-accommodate. Tayo naman.
Anak, mukhang nag-e-entry ka sa paglalaro mo. Tapos natataan niyo po. Hindi pa po yan. Mga alam po. Ito ba ang patakali ka ng gawa ng
And we're back. Time check. It's 51 minutes past the hour of 10 o'clock in the morning. Now, I will read a question from our dear learner, listener of our episode sa Radyo, which is the Paaralan sa Radyo. Here is the question from our dear learner, from Faye Damiano of Tawig Elementary School. She asked, what is a parallelogram? I repeat the question. Faye asked about what is a parallelogram.
Thank you, Faith, from Tawig Elementary School. So, Faith, this is the answer in your question. A parallelogram has two pairs of parallel side and its opposite sides are equal. So, Faith, sana nasagot ko na maayos ang iyong katanungan.
Thank you very much, Teacher Jenel. Another question from our dear learner, from Edmond Monteros of Palanas Elementary School. He asked, how many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? I repeat the question. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have?
Mukhang kaya ko nang sagutin yan, Teacher Jenel. So, thank you for that question, Edmond. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides. So, the answer to your question is two equal sides.
Okay. Thank you, Teacher Nicell. So before we formally end up our episode for today, and a message to our learner, Teacher Jenel and Teacher Nicell.
Okay, so, kids, sana natuto kayo na maayos sa ating lesson for today, which is about triangles and quadrilaterals.
Teacher Jenel, baka makalimutan natin ang nanalo sa ating question.
Oh yes, meron po tayong nanalong dalawang magaling at magiting na estudyante.
Oh yes, sa pakulo ni Teacher Nicell. I think we already have accommodated some questions from our learners. Now let us reveal the winners of our fun pakulo. And it will be given to us by our resource teachers.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Tinay. The correct answer for our question number 1 is letter B. Our winner is Kurt from Palanas Elementary School with cell phone number 0909-1868-721.
Okay, congratulations, Kurt of Paalanas Elementary School. And for our question number 2, the correct answer is letter A, which is square. And our winner is... Winner is Paul Joseph Mabido of Paracale Elementary School with cell phone number 0921-4624-103. Congratulations, Paul Joseph Mabido of Paracale Elementary School.
Congratulations to all our winners of 50 pesos worth of regular load. Once again, this is Teacher Nicell of Palanas Elementary School quoting, good mathematics is not about how many answers you know. It's about how you behave when you don't know. Thank you so much, our dear learners.
And this is Teacher Jenel of Paracale Elementary School quoting, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Until next time, learners.
Thank you very much. And we'll be back after this friendly reminder.